Corrosion is a chemical dissolution of a metal. It can be of different types: crevice corrosion, galvanic corrosion, fretting corrosion, and pitting. Crevice corrosion when a fatigue crack propagates or scratches with low oxygen tension. 316L stainless steel is known for crevice corrosion. Galvanic corrosion between dissimilar metals such as stainless steel and cobalt chrome. Highest risks: do not mix materials. Fretting corrosion: micromotion of two materials causing abrasion of the asperities. Movement disrupts the peroxide protective layer, for example, under head of screws or tenuousness of male taper. Pitting corrosion: localized crevice corrosion leading to formation of tiny hole on the surface where passivation layer is removed. Joint comes in contact with the metal. Reoxidation of the layer release hydrogen ions that dissolve titanium and cobalt chrome implant.